Hey everyone, Hendra here, Staff Solution Engineer at HashiCorp. Today we are going to integrate HashiCorp Vault with DigiCert and show how you can move away from manual certificate handling to a fully automated, policy-driven approach. By the end of this video, you'll see how Vault becomes the control plane of certificate issuance and security. Let's dive in. So first, for the integration of Vault and DigiCert CA, you will need to have a DigiCert account. So in here, I have my demo account with me. So I'll try logging in to my DigiCert account. So after I log into my DigiCert account, I will go to the Trust Lifecycle tab. In the Trust Lifecycle tab, you will need to go to Integration. You go to Connectors and you scroll to the bottom. You will actually see the HashiCorp Vault connector. You download your HashiCorp Vault connector based on your machine. And then you might want to go to the Tutorial tab. Then you go to the common environment, whereby it actually tells you on how to install your plugins. So I'll show it to you on how to install the plugins. First, I have my plugins stored in etc Vault directory plugin HashiCorp tab. And I will also have a configuration here. And then I will need to restart my Vault. Once you authenticate to Vault, you will need to export the checksum. So I export the checksum based on my Vault plugin directory. And then I register the plugin register. Once I register the plugin, I will need to enable the secrets engine based on the plugins. So it will say that success enabled the secrets engine at path DigiCert-PKI. We can also see it on our Vault. We go to secrets engine, then we will see that the secrets engine is already enabled. After we enable the secrets engine, we will need to go to the next step. So the next step is actually to create a configurations based on the API key. So to get an API key, in your DigiCert console, you go to admin profile. And then you scroll to the bottom. There's an API key. You create an API key. You name it whatever. I'll just name it Test Hendra. And then you put the end date of your API key. It's optional. You can just don't put anything for it to be forever. Then you go to your terminal. You copy the configurations. Then you paste it here. You change the API key to the one that you just copied. And then you also make sure, because I'm using a demo server of DigiCert, So my URL will be demo.1.digicert.com, and I put a config name as PKI config. So now the data will be written in the PKI config. After we enable the PKI config, we will need to create a profile ID. So this is how we create a profile ID. First, you go to DigiCert account. You go back to the Trust Lifecycle tab. In the Trust Lifecycle tab, you go to Policies, Certificate Policies. Then you create certificate profile from a template. For this demo purpose, I'll just use a generic private server certificate. So I'll put the name as a PKI generic profile. Put a default business unit and the issuing CA. And all method I'll just put as a REST API, application method, third-party application. And certificate expiry in 47 days. And then I'll just press next. For the demo purpose, I'll just create it with the custom attributes. Then after you create the profile, you will receive the GUID in this certificate tab. So you will only need to copy the previous one. So you change the profile ID into the GUID that you just copied. And you make sure the configuration name or the config name is the one that you just created, which is the PKI config. And for the role name, you can put whatever that you want, PKI roles. Okay. So once the data is successfully written to the PKI roles, you can just directly request a certificate. So you just need to copy the data. And then you change the role name as the role that you just create. And you just create and the common name that you want to be for your website or your web page. Done, the certificate is created. You can actually check the certificate in your DigiCert inventory. There you go. You have the name.winthecustomers.com created in here. So that's about it for today's demo. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you are able to integrate your Vault with DigiCert successfully. Thank you very much. Hendra signing off. Bye bye.